Yeah.
I like it spicy, but can I have all 3 pieces breast?
Alright, 2 side orders and drinks.
Side order, I like to have mashed potatoes.
It's 2.
And green beans.
Mash and green beans. And your drinks, sir?
Diet Coke.
Alright, will this complete your order?
What is this?
Make 2 orders of that.
And they're all, is it all the same?
Yeah, it'll be the exact same.
Mash, green beans, Diet Coke, and then they're all breast?
Yeah,
Alright, anything else?
that'll be it.
Okay, so I have 2 number 2, spicy, all breast, mashed potatoes, green beans, and Diet Coke. Your total's gonna be $30.36.
Yeah. I'm making all kinds of games. All kinds. But you can, hold up, you can do whatever the fuck you wanna do. Yeah. Man, I can't believe it's fucking raining again. Hey man, everything looks like a damn rainforest around here now. How green everything got? That damn Brazilian rainforest. Damn Brazilian rainforest out this bitch. Give me some more airtime. Yeah. So we got 6 spicy chicken breast. I'm gonna take the skin off. It's got too many calories. Take that skin. But I like the skin when you rip it off. All that spiciness, that taste of all that spice. Yeah, I'm gonna leave some of that. It seeps down into the breast meat, and you can still taste it. I'm gonna leave some of that damn foreskin on my chicken. I'm gonna get some spicy foreskin action, but I'm gonna take some of it off. I'm gonna circumcise it a little bit, but I ain't gonna circumcise it all the way, cause I want some of that skin action. You know, that's what makes some good chicken. The skin. Oh yeah, gotta tell y'all, we at Popeyes, one of my favorite fast food restaurants. For the sides, we got cream potatoes and green beans. It's not cream potatoes, it's mashed potatoes. Cream and smash is all the same. And some green beans with some pig in that bitch. Man, cut this damn camera off, man. No, the too much dead time. It's too much dead space. Oh, it ain't. And them green beans, they got some pig in that bitch. And them mashed potatoes, they got some cow in that bitch from that good clean cow's milk. And then I got me some more sentient beans. I got that chicken. So I'm actually getting 3 products from some sentient beans. I'm gonna open up a restaurant. I'm gonna call it Sentient Gains. Yeah. No, I ain't gonna do that. It's disrespectful. Cut the camera off. I ain't cutting shit off. Cut the camera off. I ain't cutting shit off. Too much dead time right here. No, I ain't. Wish it'd stop raining out this bitch. That bird? Bird's chirping and shit. Hurt? What's wrong with that damn bird, man? Man, hurry up, my damn chicken. You got it spicy, right? Yeah. I got all 6 all 6 pieces spicy. I think Popeyes has got the best chicken. Today is the first day I cut, and the best place to go is to Popeyes. We're gonna eat this twice a day. When I break my fast, I'm gonna have a small to moderate sized meal. Yeah. Y'all missed that one. But what y'all gonna see is the big meal. It's the big meal. Big meal. Yeah. Big I need some protein. I need all kinds of protein. I need some protein. AKG. All kinds of gains. All kinds of protein. All kinds. Yeah. I ain't been here in a while. Could not work at fucking Popeyes. I'll be eating chicken and biscuits 24/7. I'll be eating all kinds of biscuits with that damn honey on it. Hey man, get some buffalo sauce. Don't forget.
So you guys wanted food number 2, spicy with all breast, mashed potatoes, and green beans, and the Diet Coke, so Diet Coke.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get some buffalo.
36 if you're talking.
Damn, $30. I think she said $36. Bodybuilding's expensive. Thank you. Hey.
There you go.
Fucking card. I read the list and said some goddamn
Can
$20. Can I have some buffalo sauce?
Look how tiny my neck is.
I read a list and said some goddamn harsh $20.
Sorry.
Goddamn $20. Damn twins. Some goddamn $20. Damn harsh $20.
Look how
Man,
big.
I'm gonna fuck
Look my.
this chicken up.
Yeah, I need to work my left
Barbecue
more.
sauce?
Buffalo.
Oh, buffalo.
Hey. You want buffalo, right? I want buffalo to dip that chicken in it. All right, thank you. All right, bye. Take your damn buffalo. Take your goddamn chicken. Here's your spoon. Hey, grab the camera, man. It's gonna slide. It's gonna what? It's gonna slide. No, man, just take it easy. It's gonna slide. Just take it easy. Damn camera gonna slide. It ain't gonna slide on you. Oh, wait a minute. It ain't sliding. Put your damn seatbelt on. Fuck it, ain't you stopping? Park here along the curb. Alright. Don't go so fast. Yeah. You can park right here. I'm gonna park right here. Park right here. I'm gonna park right beside all this tall, wild grass. Yeah. Show them that tall, wild grass. Yeah. All that damn tall, wild grass. Yeah. See, if you walk through that, you're gonna get all kinds of fucking ticks, fleas, fucking chiggers, snake bites. Might get some damn Black Widow action too. Your shit's gonna be all snapped the fuck up. You better have all kinds of fucking insect repellent. Oh man, they put the biscuit in here. I can't eat it. Oh man, get that goddamn biscuit out my face. Yeah, go on, get that out. Give me that goddamn biscuit. Hey man. Oh, this shit is fresh. Thumbnail time, bitch. Hey. Yeah, look at that. Pick the box up so they can see the chicken. There you go. But they can't see. Hey, hold it down so they see your face.
Yes!
Bring your face up, man. Smart. Hey, fuck it. There you go. Hey. Man, look at all that skin. Take all that skin off, man. It's got all them calories in it. Man, damn skin good as fuck. Take that damn circumcise your chicken a little bit. This chicken hot as hell. Man, my biscuit go real good with this chicken right now. Uh-oh. Goddamn chicken bone. Could have swallowed that bitch. That bitch would have scratched the fuck out of my throat. Get some of these greens up in me. I see some pig in that bitch. I'm gonna cut back on the smacking. Damn good green beans.
Green beans.
Circumcise this chicken a little bit. Hey man, you got the sauce, man? I gave it to you. There you go, right there. This is spicy, man. I love this shit. God damn. What you do, spill it? You got the cap on all right. One gone. I'm cutting, man. I need some protein. When you cutting, when you're losing weight, you gotta get that protein, because if you ain't getting no protein and you cutting, you're gonna get sucked the fuck up. Yeah. That damn mashed potatoes hot as fuck. circumcise this damn chicken. Look at all that damn foreskin. Take that damn foreskin off, right? God damn, did you see that? What? That damn chicken just ejaculated all over me. What, hot oil? I think so. Ah. The chicken's fresh. Get some of this damn buffalo sauce up in me. Damn, them mashed potatoes hot. I know. That's because they're fresh, man. Got some fucking hot sauce on my damn do whatever the fuck you want to do t-shirt. Man, that buffalo sauce is, man, good as shit. God damn. Chicken hot as fuck. God damn, burn the fuck out my fingers. One down. Can't even eat this shit. Shit's so hot. Fuck. Just eat these damn green beans. Look at them damn greens.
Ah!
The last meal of the day. Get them joints up in you.
Oh.
The fuck is that? The fuck is that on my head? Oh shit, that's my spoon. That was from your damn mashed potatoes, man. What the fuck is that on my head? See if this damn chicken cool down. You try that damn sauce yet, man? Sauce good as shit. Look at that shit, look like blood on that bitch. Get some more of the skin up in me. Skin good as shit. Oh, that damn skin. Just keep the car clean, man. Wife been getting on me about this shit. Yeah. She said it like a bunch of, like 3 goddamn pigs was in this car eating. 3 pigs? Fuck, she just went with 1 pig. Motherfucker good as shit. Let me get some of that skin up in me. Just a little bit. It's too gone. Let's see these damn mashed potatoes. Oh, fuck. What? Damn chicken bone. That bitch go down your throat, you're fucked. Because you know that bitch gonna come down long ways and get stuck. You're gonna be right there hacking on that goddamn bone. Remember I was at this job, man. This dude, he was eating a fucking sandwich. He was hungry as fuck. Dude swallowed a goddamn toothpick that was in the sandwich. Dude was right there hacking for about fucking. That dude had to go to the emergency room. Dude was hacking, huh? He was hacking? Yeah, that motherfucker was hitting himself and... I said, man, what the fuck is wrong with you, bitch? And then he started talking, man. It sounded weird as fuck. All that damn hacking. Yeah, hacking to do that to you. Some bitch sound like witch hazel. All that damn hacking. That goddamn shit fucked them up, man. They had to fucking send a, they had to do surgery on that bitch. No? Mm-hmm. They put a damn microscope down his throat with some goddamn, some kind of damn device. Yeah. They sent a goddamn wire down his throat with some goddamn fingers on the end of that bitch. They grabbed that damn wing out of his damn, I mean that damn bone out of his, that damn toothpick out of his throat. So I bet you never do that again, bitch. All this goddamn skin. I ain't fucking with my green beans. I done fuck my greens, it's gone. I'm working on these mashed potatoes. You get some of these green beans for some antioxidants. I'm gonna get some of that buffalo sauce up here. Chicken good as shit. I'm done, man. Damn mashed potatoes, man. God, oh. Ain't nothing but bones and skin in this bitch. Done? Done, man. Damn, man. Do like 3 pigs just ate in this bitch. Yeah. Got the damn chicken sweats. Eat whatever the fuck
You want to eat?